Hello, hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for my my Simple Sunday video. I am going to share with you the last two kits that came in. The expressions of kindness. I had introduced those to you earlier, and also oh shoot, I can't remember it. The journey to something. And it's supposed to be like a journal. All right. So we're going to take a look at them and so that you can see what there is. And if you're interested in them, you can purchase them yourself. We're going to look at the expressions of kindness first. This is beautiful paper. They outdid themselves this time in these cards and the envelopes that go with them. And we're going to do something with the envelopes too. So something different that they've never done before. All right, I'm going to get my instruction sheet out and just take a peek at them real quick so that I make sure that I do this correctly for you. All right. These are what the cards look like, by the way. Aren't they gorgeous? I just think they turned out so pretty. All right, we're going to start with this one. And let me take a look at this real close. I'm going to start with this stamp. We're using Blackberry Bliss as our ink, and you do get an ink spot in the kit. Ugh, I got ink all over my hand all of a sudden. Let me grab something to wipe that off so I don't mess up any of the cards. All right, here we go. I'm starting with this little design thing here. And they want you to put two of these on. One below and one just above it, and you can stamp over it so it looks like one big thing. All right. And then we're going to take this little thing and we're going to stamp on our flowers. Let me see how many different, we got 3 of them to do. So we're going to stamp here and here. Oh, that one didn't turn out quite as well. There we go. And I'm going to actually fold this. Oh. And we're going to stamp right on there. Okay. So that's the first part of our stamping. Then the second part is to take our little label, and we are going to stamp wishing you the happiest of birthdays. So this obviously is going to be a birthday card. Okay, and we're going to get started in putting this together. It also calls for 6 1/4 inch ribbon. I actually cut these at 7. You don't have to cut them that long because of the purpose that they're used for, but it seemed to work well for me. So, you can do what you want, play with that. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of those ribbons and we're going to lay it on the back here. And I'm going to kind of center it, not just in the middle of the label, but also on the ends. So there's enough of both ends to be shown. And then we're going to take our Stampin' Dimensionals and we're going to put them halfway on the ribbon and halfway on the label, like that. And then we just stick it right here on the card. And that's all there is to it. It's that easy. Isn't that nice? And then we'll put some of our sparkling embellishments on it. Let's see here. Let's start with this one. And we're going to put it right there. We're going to go here, flipped over onto my finger. That happens a lot. And down here. And there we have our first card. Isn't that pretty? And it was so easy to do. I just love it when they're that easy. Okay, now we're going to take a look at this card. And let's see, I got to find my directions again. We're going to start with the punch out of these flowers. And we're going to put ink on those like we did the others to bring out the petals. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then we're going to take our label and we're going to put just a note. Oh, wrong one. There you go. Oh no, that got all inky. Well, that's a bummer. Let me see if I can find a different label. Good thing they come with extra, huh? All right, let me see. All right, here we go. We'll get this one together. There's the just a note. And again, we're going to take our ribbon. Let's see, before we do that, let's put our flowers on. We're going to, I gotta see where these dots go. This gets flipped over, and we're going to put a glue dot right in the middle. And then this one gets flipped over, and we have a glue dot here, and one here, and then one in the wider leaf, like that. Okay. And then we're going to put them on our card. So we're just going to center this in here. Something tells me this was a part that was supposed to come out, I think. Let me just see. You know what? I'm not going to putz with it. I'm afraid I'm going to tear some. All right. We'll put that down right there. And we're going to put this one on top. And I will admit, when I first did this, I'm like, there's only one glue dot on there? How is that going to hold? But you'll see in a minute what happens. All right, we're going to take our label. We're going to flip it over. We're going to take our ribbon. I've got some ink on this side, so my hands must be full of ink. I don't know what's going on here. All right, and we're just going to do like we did with the other one, just kind of center it on there and take our dimensionals and put them half on the ribbon and half on the label. Okay, I got this one over too far, so I'm going to trim it just a bit. There we go. And we're going to put this right in the middle, and that will help hold that whole floral arrangement thing. All right, then we're going to put our embellishments on this one. So let's see where we want to get started here. One there, here, right there, here, and right here. There we go. Look how simple that was. Now, the one thing that I can do so that I don't have that ink on the ribbon is I can just trim this down here. And they'll never see it. They'll never know it was there. All right. So there we go with our second card. Now, what they did with this group of cards that is different is they have a special stamp that goes just with the envelopes. It says kindly deliver to. And then the person would put their address right there. And I thought that was pretty different. And of course, if you don't like to have that on the envelope, you wouldn't have to have it on the envelope either. You can, it's up to you what you want to do. These are your cards. Okay, so those are the two cards with their envelopes. And I think they are so pretty. They're just gorgeous. And so easy to make. You saw how easy it was to assemble them. And that is on our online exclusive kits. So you will need to go online to get that if you are interested in making these. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to do then is to show you the other one that came in, the other kits. I have not opened this one up yet, so I don't even know what's in here. But this is the Scenic Route Travel Journal. All right, so we're going to open this up, and I'm using different scissors because I have my paper snips are all packed to go to a convention. So I'm using different scissors right now. Okay, well, we have to use tear and tape on this one. And let's just take a peek at this. We've got, this is our book. This is the book that everything goes into. Oh, the letter E. I don't know that was done by design, but it came out that way. All right. Then we have a bunch of stickers of letters and numbers and then different travel icons. We have letters of that are circular. Here's some more of these. This is the A sheet. All right. Then we have just some strips of paper that come out. And these are all different sayings in different languages. Oh, here's another sheet. So, trying to see where everything is and what they say. Okay, and then we have different labels that can be used. Oh, there's another one. Wow, we got lots of those. Here's the English one. Okay, so we've got probably French, German, and Dutch, and then the English one. And then here's some more travel icons. And some more labels. And this looks like it's pockets. So you would take this out and bend it and glue it in there with your tear and tape, and it would become a pocket. These are little journal pages. And this is, oh, here's a little folder type thing. And is this one the same type thing? Sort of. It's just in a longer, I suppose, for longer brochures or whatever. All right, so let's see. We've got all our stuff. We took a look at everything that was in there. And as you can see, they would put together pages with pictures and labels and that sort of thing. Oh, here we go. Here we have some bigger ones for brochures, for your journaling that you want to do. All sorts of things that you can do on your trip that you take this summer. And it's almost the 4th of July, and I know a lot of you will be heading out on vacation. So this is the perfect time to get one of these so that you can keep a journal of all that you did. And so it looks like they've got flight passes or in there and all sorts of things. Here they show you how to do the pocket card and the other things. So you have it all there, ready to go. Your only gluing, per se, will be with the tear and tape. And the rest is all set for you. And then you can put it in your book. So that is that. Pretty cool, huh? So when you get ready to go on your vacation, make sure you have one of these so you can keep special memories for your event. All right, that's all I have for today. You have a fantastic Sunday evening, and I will see you again on Tuesday for my Tickle Tuesday video. Bye now.